Now this illustration deals with single conductor cables installed in accordance with 392.80B2A. Now notice we're still in 392.80, which means based upon the type of cable tray and so forth, we're in a derating mode. But now notice here we have single layers because there's 700 kc mil THHN copper conductors. Now, and they have their strands there to make up the conductor size. So step one, 700 kc mil from free air now, not table 310.16, but the free air chart of table 310.17, 700 kc mil is equal to 855 amp from that table, and that's based upon the 90-degree column. Step two, applying the derating factors. 392.80B2A requires a 75% derate factor or adjustment factor applied. So 75% of 855 is 641. So in the solution, the answer is the new ampacity for the 700 kc mil conductor is 641 and not 855. And again, it's based upon the cable tray being uncovered as you see in the illustration. So this illustration illustrates single conductors installed in a cable tray that's uncovered. And notice this would be the procedure. Instead of going to table 310.16, we can use the open air table of 310.17.